Yes, it is Wind Down Wednesday, thanks to the Sarasota-Manatee Originals. And we are in our Rice's Appliance kitchen with Chef Billy from the Waterfront Restaurant on Anna Maria Island. Great to see you.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
This looks incredible.
Gorgeous
Remind us what we're making today.
Yeah, so today we're going to keep it easy. We're going to make a Frutti di Mare, which is one of our staple items at the restaurant.
I love your definition of keeping it easy.
I was just going to say, with 45 ingredients.
Four different kinds of the most beautiful fresh seafood.
That's why you leave it to the pros.
Yes.
But this is something that we can do at home, and
Great.
you know, people will be really
I
impressed
think,
with it.
yeah,
So,
yeah. All right, so
we're
you're
gonna
getting
start
started with a
little
hot
bit
pan?
Yep, hot pan, olive oil,
Very hot pan.
and then we're going to start with our scallops.
Those are beautiful.
So the key to a good scallop is a good sear. So we're going to start with 3 of these.
And when you're searing, I imagine it's like in life, like don't touch it, let things be, right?
Let things be.
Okay.
Oh, but
Let
how
them
do you know what's
detach
going on
their
over
own.
there?
Typically, too, I like to add my clams while my scallops are cooking.
Okay.
For the sake of being on TV today, we got them
Sure,
pre-cooked.
sure. But if you were making this in the restaurant,
If you were
that's
making it in the
fine.
restaurant, you
Right.
throw them in there. So we're going to let these get a nice sear on them.
Okay.
Today we're going to be serving it with linguine, and we're going to have a little bit of homemade garlic bread.
Oh, that's
So we do
good.
yeah, absolutely. So we do a compound garlic butter in the house.
Oh.
Yep, and we make all our garlic bread fresh. We also got some really nice Parmesan cheese today.
Yes.
Excited to.
I know that's a
try that.
massive wheel wedge. Half of a...
Yes,
For
it
people
is.
that don't know what compound butter is, will you share with them what that is?
Yeah, so it's a whipped butter we do a garlic compound butter, so it's garlic and an array of herbs.
Roasted garlic.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
roasted
yeah.
garlic. Yep.
So it gets nice and squishy, almost you could spread
Yeah,
that garlic
absolutely.
itself.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, so how do we know when to flip these babies?
So they'll just kind of let go naturally.
Oh, they're almost
I still think we have a
caramelizing.
little bit left to go
So
there.
that's why we get a problem if we try to flip them too soon and they stick to the
Right,
pan.
right.
Okay.
You kind of just, they'll tell you when they want to let go.
Okay.
Okay, I want to hear them tell us that.
They're getting ready to here very
And
shortly.
that's just one of the four types of seafood that we have in this dish?
Yep, so
Wow.
I want to talk a little bit about our shrimp.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Our shrimp is domestic caught shrimp, so we don't get anything from out of country.
Oh, great.
We
That's
get
great.
everything domestic caught, so we have 2 different kinds. Today we're going to be working with a domestic white Gulf caught shrimp,
Okay.
and we also serve a Key West pink for our peeling needs.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
So
that's
right
great to
about
know because
now-
there's been a lot in the
gonna
news
start to
about
tell you.
some
It
imported shrimp.
did.
Oh, wow.
So we're gonna
That's
go
beautiful
in.
sear.
With our tomato, and we're going to let the tomato kind of caramelize.
Oh, yeah.
I'm realizing just by watching your expert chefery that I touch things too much in the kitchen.
I fiddle.
I'm constantly
Yeah.
moving
And my
them.
tomatoes are not perfectly cubed like when you get there. They're
Something
always perfect.
that I was taught at a young age when I started cooking was season through steps. Go through your progression. So we're going to season a little bit every step of the way.
Oh.
And then also here I have a little roasted garlic, and we're just going to throw that in.
Those
Just a
roasted
little.
cloves you were talking
Love 'em.
about, those
Yeah,
look
yeah,
incredible
roasted
too.
cloves, thank you. And then we're just going to...
All right, now while this is cooking, I want to point out something that I heard about the restaurant. This pasta looks incredible, but I understand you now have a bunch of gluten-free pasta options for people, or
Yep, so
gluten-free options for
we do
entrees?
offer a gluten-free pasta. Also, our fried, everything in-house now is gluten-free as far as our fryer. So
wow.
Okay.
we are able to accommodate everyone, you know, who's got celiac issues or gluten intolerance.
So all the batters, everything could be commingled, like
Oh, that
fried
you're making
and
so
everything.
many people so
Wow,
mad.
yeah.
They probably thought they couldn't have a great pasta dish, and
Yeah.
now they can.
Yeah,
Not to mention,
absolutely.
it's so
Absolutely.
romantic. You
Oh
have
my gosh,
such a
that little
romantic
bungalow.
restaurant.
Yeah,
It's
remind
like
us
one of
where
our
you
favorite
are.
date
Yeah.
spots.
So-
So
Maria.
we are on the north end of Anna Maria. We're adjacent from the city pier.
Yep.
We're located on 111 South Bay Boulevard. We had a little bit of a comeback, you know, from the hurricanes.
Of course, we were glad to hear that you came back. That's
Yeah,
great.
thank you. We appreciate
Yes.
that. We were down for about 78 days. I am
right.
going to add.
We're about to
wow.
wrap up here, but we want to remind you that you can visit the Waterfront Restaurant on Anna Maria Island. The fruit of the sea dish is incredible, the
Yes.
homemade garlic bread, the compound butter, all of it is incredible. They are open for lunch and dinner 7 days a week. You can find more information in the menu online at thewaterfrontrestaurant.net. It's the cutest, most romantic little cottage on Anna Maria.
Yes.
with
Go visit.
amazing food. You'll want to visit them. All right, we can't wait to dive into
This looks great.
Wish you were with us.
Thank you.
We'll be back in just a moment.